Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and software prerequisites. Check BIOS and your vendor doc so you know if a second GPU is supported and switchable. Once done, download and stage the latest drivers for both GPUs. Do not install yet. Make sure to save your work and create a restore point. Firmware changes can require recovery. Finally, boot into BIOS/UEFI, enable discrete GPU or switchable mode, and note any power profile settings you may need to adjust later. Now you install and configure drivers so both GPUs operate. Install the driver for the primary GPU first, reboot, then install the secondary GPU driver. This prevents conflicts. Once both are installed, open Device Manager to verify both GPUs appear and have no error flags. Next, use the vendor control panel to assign rendering, either global or per application, and set preferred GPU for your target apps. Make sure to test with a simple app to confirm rendering on the finish by validating stability and performance. Run stress tests and monitor temperatures, clocks, and power draw so you catch thermal throttling or driver misbehavior. Once stable, refine power and cooling profiles and set per app GPU selection for optimal battery life versus performance. If you see errors or a missing GPU, try rolling back the last driver, reset BIOS settings to defaults, and reinstall drivers in the correct order. If hardware-level problems persist, contact the laptop vendor, reseating internal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.